Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Featured Post widget from HappyAddons. It's perfect for showcasing your most important content in style. Before we begin, make sure you have Elementor HappyAddons and HappyAddons Pro installed and activated on your site. Once they are ready, open a page with Elementor. In the widget panel, search for Featured Post. Drag and drop it. The Featured Post widget offers 3 skin styles: Classic, Standard, and Outbox. Explore them and select the one you like. You can also toggle off or on the featured image option to hide or display the featured image. After that, set its resolution for optimal clarity. Next, enable the badge taxonomy option. It will allow you to display the featured post based on categories or tags. Select categories or tags that you want to use to display the featured post. After that, type your own custom badge label. By default, it's written new. You can change and write anything here to add a personal touch. Set your title tag to match your site's SEO strategy. Display your post meta info, which could be author, date, and comments. You can even enable icons and custom separators to be displayed between the post meta options. Control how much content you want to show in excerpt by defining the number of words. Keep it short and punchy. Then customize the Read More button. You can change the button name by changing its copy. You can also choose to open the post in a new tab. After that, open the Query Settings section. You can choose to display your feature post by the post type, publishing date, order, author, and query ID. Based on this setting, the feature post will automatically be updated. Now come to the Style tab. From here you can tweak padding, margin, backgrounds, shadows, borders, and image overlays. You can do these stylizations for each element coming with the widget. They are image, badge, content, meta, and read more. You can even add hover effects to some elements. Also, you can change their positions to perfectly fit them on the widget layout. Expand each element section and do the necessary stylizations you want to set for them. Thus, you can create a polished and responsive look for the widget and create an eye-catching featured section that's both beautiful and functional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Elementor tutorials right here on the channel.